Alright, so for our homework assignment, they want us to simulate a front-end collision on the left side of the car. So we're going to use this car right here because I don't know anything about it. So if somebody slam into it right here, we will replace the entire bumper, this headlight. I guess it's a fog light on this car. We'll replace that. And if the damage is, depending on how much it come back, we'll take out this front fender, we'll replace that, put a new hood on, and then we ain't gonna go underneath the hood because I don't have the keys to the car to see like if we need like radiator and all that. I don't know what's underneath the hood, so we just gonna do this the front bumper, new headlight. We're gonna do the front fender, a new hood, and we're gonna replace everything. So of course I would take pictures all the way around the car. I grabbed the VIN number right here off the front, which is right there in the window. I'll take a picture of that in just a second. Like I said, I don't know what kind of car this is. So all the information will come up from the VIN number, and then I would just verify it. Look like a Hyundai. I guess that's what the H stand for. So this is the car. Let's get a whole shot of it. 4-door, gray. It's got a sunroof. Elantra. Hyundai Elantra. Okay. Alright, so we got our video. Let's go and estimate the damage. We're gonna replace everything since it's an impact. We're gonna replace everything. Insurance gonna cover it. We'll say this driver had a $500 deductible, and we'll say this is Progressive Insurance. Okay, we got it. Let's go. Alrighty, we inside the software. Let's work. Okay, this owner is insured. Let's say the owner name is, let's go with Edge Smith. Email address edgesmith11@gmail.com. His phone number, through the typical files, mobile number. Alright, his address, 123 Fate Street, Memphis, Tennessee, 38109. Alright, we got that. Phone number, address, insurance agent. Let's see, that's gonna be me. Deductible, $500. Policy number, just type some numbers in. Driver is a male. We're gonna say 31 to 40. Let's keep going. Estimator. That's why I put me. I guess the person write the estimate, but in this case we'll say it's this person. That's the trainer. Work assigned. I don't know what to put for that. Estimated days to repair. Let's give them 2 weeks to repair the car. Inspection. We did the inspection today. Right now, that was the appointment date, and we inspected it today. Okay, we inspected it at the person's home. That's where the inspection took place. As far as insurance, he has Progressive Insurance. Claim number, we put the same thing, but I forgot the numbers. Vehicle, this is going to be the insurance company paying. His deductible, $500. The type of loss, this is collision. We're going to see it happen last week around 10:15 a.m. Okay. Vehicle. Select vehicle. VIN number. Okay. Oh, no, I can't take a picture of it. Okay, we'll type the VIN number in. Give me a second while I pause the video. Okay, we got the VIN number in. I don't know which one it is. I would have to go and get all that off the car, but we're gonna go with the first one, the automatic. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, it says we got a good VIN number. Okay, we're gonna do the right front. No, driver front, left front. Oh, my bad. Okay, this is primary. Left front impact, and we got some hood damage right here, secondary. It wants to add a photo in. Give me a second, I gotta get that off my email. Alright, we got a photo. We're gonna say impact notes, damage to front bumper, front hood, front fender, and headlights. All damage on driver's side. Okay, so we'll put that right there. We're gonna say it's drivable, the condition of the car, 5 stars. We're gonna say it's got plenty of fuel, no damage prior. License plate number, we'll just put something, say it's out of Tennessee. It expires next year. Mileage in, we'll say that right there. Mileage out, same thing. VIN number, the production date, says 2019, so car made in 2019. The color, gray. Interior, we'll say interior, gray again. Okay, we got all that. Okay, let's go to vehicle options. Automatic transmission. It pulls all the rest of it up by the VIN, so we just check and make sure all this is correct. I know it's got a sunroof, so make sure it's sunroof. Tinted glass. Oh, let me look at the picture. Was the windows tinted? Yeah, it looked like the windows was tinted. Probably about maybe 45% tinted here. That looks like, I guess it's factory. Yep, electric glass sunroof. It's got it right. Seats. Okay. Well, it pulls all this up by the VIN. Let's go to photos. Okay, we already got the photos. Let's go to estimate. Okay, let's write an estimate. So the easy one, we'll start with the hood. We're gonna replace the hood. We're gonna say the hood, if it was a front collision, we need a new hood with paint, clear coat. Okay. And since we didn't pop the hood, we can't do anything underneath the hood as far as radiator support and all of that. Okay, let's get out of the hood section. We know we need that front fender. So fender. Now this just depends on the price. Since Korea and US is the same price, $729, $729. We get it from US. That's gonna be the left side fender, left side driver side. Gonna replace it, then paint it back to the original color. Add some clear coat. Okay. And then We need to do the headlight. Where is the headlights? Front lamps. Let's do the bumper first. Bumper and grill. USA. Okay, we need this whole piece right here. Bumper cover. Okay, we're gonna replace that. Refinish this part. What is that? Refinish. What does that mean? Wait a minute. Replace hood. We got the hood. We got the paint. We got the fender. Oh, overhaul. Okay, overhaul the bumper. That means replace the whole bumper. Brand new. Okay, we got all that. Okay, let's go back to the front grille. So I guess that light comes with it. This is the inside grill. Is that what it is? Let me see. I wonder. So the grill probably don't come with the bumper. Let me see on the estimate. Let me see. Front bumper. I guess the bumper don't come with the grill. We're probably gonna need a new grill. So we'll just go ahead and replace it in case it don't come with it. Okay. Yeah, that's not included. Okay, so we got the grill. We need to get those lights. Front lamps. We need the whole component. Oh, there we go right there. We need the whole thing, baby. And we ain't gonna get all fancy with it and get these little sides because I'm still in school, y'all. So we're gonna replace the left side. We're gonna put the whole new light in now. Aim headlight. I don't know what that means. Aim the headlamps. Aim. I'm not sure what that means. Gotta ask in school, baby. What else did I say? We got the front fender. Front fender. We got the hood. Okay, we got the fender. We got the hood. We got the lamp. We got the grill. Look on that picture. We got the grill, light, front fender. Okay, we got everything. Got everything painted. Yep, we got all the paint on now. Okay. Clear coat. Okay. So that's about it. That's $7,000 worth of damage that fast. And because the car value, so 2019, the car ain't gonna be totaled out because that car is probably worth like $20,000, I would say. You know, let's go to our totals. So label, we got materials, we got parts on here. Now as far as the hours, I'm still in school, y'all, so you know, we will have to see what the hours is for labor on paint and body and all that. Got your taxes in there. Uncle Sam got to get his 8.3. That's pretty high. Then we got your deductible. Did I say the deductible was $1,000? I thought I said $500. Oh, I must have got something wrong right now. I gotta go back and figure out. Okay, we got the deductible. I had to figure that out. Anyways, the insurance pays $6,000. You supposed to only pay $500. I gotta go back and change that. But for right now, the insurer, the person that owns the car, is only supposed to pay $500 deductible. I don't know what's the prepaid amount. I don't know where that came from, but okay. So we got the estimate, and we will print this out and hand this over to insurance and to cut that check, and you'll take that check and take it to the body shop, baby. That's what insurance got for the current rates. Frame shop, $85. These are just preset rates. Leave it like it is. Alright, yo, that's my homework. As y'all saw, I just finished up my homework assignment on the laptop. You gotta be licensed to do insurance. I'm licensed to do property and auto as well as some other things, almost across the whole United States. So I'm getting my practice in. I'm still in school for it, but it seems pretty easy. It pays a lot of money to do this stuff, so I'm just showing y'all that outside of trucking, you can still learn new skills. You don't have to just watch Andrew do it.